running. Traded London wasn't disciplined to wait for New York. Come on now, bruh. I mean, if you normally trade London, that's a different story. But if New York is a session that you need to trade in, then come on. All right, what are we seeing here? So we do got downtrend on the 5 minute. We are making a pretty strong downtrend. We're in a retracement phase right now on the 1 minute. Since we're in that retracement phase, it's in the uptrend. So just zoom more in. Yeah, that is true, CR7. He has to be next to me for me to get some like good quality sleep. Not gonna lie. But we're getting a pretty strong uptrend on the 1 minute since it's in that retracement on the bigger time frame. 30-second also kind of in that uptrend, so I'm happy to take longs, even though it is slightly against the 5 minute. But we did kind of push up for the bigger picture. We retraced on the 5 minute in the bigger scheme of things. Continued. Now we're kind of continuing back up, so I'm happy to take longs if we can break past this high right here. You trade past are you trading past 10-15 time frame? No, but not for, yeah, Ty. So Tyler, I've been trading past 10-15 up to like 12. Some days I do get off earlier if the market environment is not good, because I realized my trade frequency was like getting lower and lower only when I was up to 10-15. And I found that a lot of my trades are happening later in the day, around past 10 and potentially even past 11. So I'm like, I did some testing, did some back testing with the strategy, and I found that it still is very profitable up till 12 p.m. And I'm like, let's test it on the live markets. Let's trade past 10 p.m. or past 10:15 my original time up to 12 p.m. If there's a good market environment, we'll take it. Because the thing was, we were having a really good market environment for me to look for a trade, or having really good setups after we're done. When I was looking back on the market after the day was over. So we're giving a shot to extend it, and it's been working pretty good. So I'm happy with I'm happy with the performance. IQ, bro, where you at, bro? Go home. What's up, Des? We in public right now. We're still trading. Hey, let's go. Bro, Starbucks? What are you getting from Starbucks, bro? You don't need no Starbucks, bro. You're not a white girl. What's up, Maj? You need those trade bucks, not the star ones. Exactly. You need the trade bucks, not the Starbucks, bro. Come on. Trading on the phone might be a little annoying though, but we'll see. So again, this is what I want to see. I want to see price break past this high. Ideally, I want it to break past this high as well. But if we break past this high, yeah, I'll depends on the setup what it'll look like when we break past this high. But for sure, if we break past this high, we'll take any pullback momentum candle trade. This one, not too sure because this isn't the full swing high. Still have this full swing high over here. Phone trading in the big 25. We got the 1 minute sloping on the 30-second, 1 minute sloping on the 1 minute. Or what am I saying? We got the 200 SMA sloping on the 30-second, 200 SMA sloping on the 1 minute. And we also have, but it's sloping down on the 5 minute. I don't care really what it's sloping on the 5 minute. I just don't like the fact that we're below the SMA on the 5 minute. That's my only thing. So by the time we break this upper high with strength and push up way past it, like we're already doing right now, this would be a fire area to take a trade. So he says meta glasses improve. Hey, that'll be insane though. Imagine trading on the meta glasses, like the VR goggles. You have like the charts on one screen as you're walking by. You can set a TP and stop. That'd be funny. Good luck. It knows you're thinking stop loss under this low and then take profit at this swing high, and it just automatically plots for you. That'd be hard. Now they're gonna have that. They're gonna have that in 5 years. I'm calling it. 100% gonna have that in like 5 years. Yo, what? It'll scan your face. All right, we got 30 more seconds to market open. Next level. We got 5 seconds to market opens. Market opens. Let's see what happens. All right, dumpy. For a downside play, we're gonna again have to see a lot more movement because I need this MA line to slope down. So we're gonna probably have to break below these major lows right here. All right, what are you guys talking about? Could we lock in, please? So this is what we want to see. Rally, breaking past this high and this high. Pushing up real strong. Looks dumpy. Well, if it dumps, we can get a play like that too. We just got to move a lot more. Honestly, not that much more, but we got to move practically the same amount to the downside. Oh, I forgot to turn on my lights. There you go. Let's break past these highs right here. Come on. We're in here. Let's go. What's up, Hunter? What is your lot size, Aro? I don't know yet. I mean, depends on the trade. Anywhere from 1 minute to like 3 minutes. But I might have to increase the size because my dollar amount that I'm risking is really low because the volatility's died down. So I might even have to push it to 4 to 5 contracts. Maybe even like 6. Okay, great. We break past the high we want. We didn't break past it, but we wicked past it. Ideally, I want to break past it with strength. Let's see if we can break past it with strength. Let's get a strong break of those highs. That'd be a good sign. Push, baby. Daroid period. What's it? What's it? Daroid right now. What's a daroid? Yo, Rita. Oh, D period. Dog, what are y'all talking about, bro? What? You guys hear me? Should hear me. Bro, what? Did that fix? Can you guys hear me? Bro, what is this bullshit Discord? Bro turned Indian for a sec. Only in beginning of stream I notice. Notice what? The bug, the lag? Oh. I don't know. Maybe it's, I don't know. I might buy a new modem for my internet as well, just to see if that might fix the issue. I might do that this weekend. Because I replaced my router. I just need to replace my modem to see if that'll fix anything. I doubt, but I'll see. So I want us to break this a little bit stronger. We broke past this swing high, which is what I wanted to see. But I want to see us push past, what's it called? With strength. I could tell you that's unlikely, you know, because it happens only in the beginning of stream, so it's Discord trouble, not yours. Probably. I'll probably see if I can find some information online about it if other people have the same issue. Alright, what is this dumpy, bro? Okay, Layla. Yeah, tech support has longer wait time at the moment. They have other priority. They're low on staff. Taking out my gorilla. 100 Laylas versus gorilla. Who's winning? I think Layla will win. She'll end up cooking a nice meal for the gorilla. That's going to be the bait for them to get distracted. And then she's going to go from the back, choke them out, and they're cooked. Okay, I want this thing to come push back up and break this high because we pulled back way too strong. All the way back to practically where we started. So we did kind of make that mini uptrend though. But I want to see us come back and push back above this. Gorilla fell in love with me. Alright. Alright. Time to lock in, bro. Come on. Give us another pumpy. Let's break this high. Like this. That'll be valid. That'll be what we're looking for. This we're waiting for right now. Gotta see this. Anyone here in New York? Bro, I'm fucking opposite of the country from New York. See if today won't get another chop day. Yeah, it's still the same game plan. We want to break it, push up past this high, and then we're Gucci. I'm flying to New York Saturday. I'm about to sneak into Wall Street, then share insider trading info in this Discord, and we all get rich. Sounds like a plan, bro. Give us that insider info. Give us that next meme coin that they're plotting on. Or that next penny stock that's going to fly to the moon. The last time I went to New York was years ago. I think when I was like 12 years old. I need to go touch that bull, bro. I need to go touch that bull, like touch him. We're gonna make us invest in rug. Yeah, facts. Yeah, I just realized, nah, bro's trying to lead us into the biggest scam of all time. Nah, Mosh, bro's two-faced. Yeah, touch the balls. All right, can we get some direction here, buddy? Then you'll have a 100% win rate with the 1-100. All facts. That's like my instant reward, bro. Instant profitability. Now let's pump up here to the moon. This is all we're looking for. Break this high. Ideally with strength a little bit, so let's put this a little bit higher. Break this with strength. Pull back, momentum candle, done. So one of those underground traders that not many people know is Peyton Trades on TikTok. Oh, that guy that just like shows his trade. We get some insane trades lately, or daily. Disappeared again. Can y'all see me? Am I actually gone? All right, does that fix it? What does it show for you guys whenever it happens? What does it show on your guys' end? Buffering, black screen. Frozen, nothing. That's so weird. Yeah, I don't know. Okay. Actually, what news do we have today? Oh, yeah, we have PPI today. We have a lot of news today. I forgot. We have a lot of news today. I forgot about it, though. We got... I forgot to check this, but we got PPI, all of pre-market. Core PPI, retail sales, PPI, month over month, retail sales, unemployment claims, all those red folder. We have manufacturing index, Philly Fed manufacturing index that came out pre-market. We also had Powell speaking pre-market as well. So that's about it for today. But we had we have no more news coming out, but this is all there was for today. Nah, there's nothing we got to worry about. There's just the fact that Powell was speaking this today, pre-market. Unemployment claims. Now that's my language. I claim that Abood is unemployed. Let's add to the unemployment claim. Let's see if it went up. The unemployment claims. Oh, the same shit as previous. So the people who were previously unemployed are now still unemployed. That basically means Abood still didn't find a job. Okay. Now we're dumping below. If I want to get bearish play, we gotta see a decent amount of movement. We already fell a decent amount. I want us to fall a little bit more, pull back. Maybe we'll take it here. By this time, the 1 minute will also be sloping down. Not going to be too bad of a play. I'm going to tissue. I'll be back. Okay. There's also a request. I could probably call them for an interview. The prop firm. I mean, the prop firm they do that sometimes. Some like lower end prop firms do that so they can get some recognition on some like good traders. Or what's the average percent per month? Percent like what? Percent on my account? Or like what do you mean? A 50K a month? Honestly, I have no idea. I don't even keep track of that. Cause like I do it, I get the payout and then like goes down and then it's like I don't know an accurate like percentage. You take payout. I can't take payouts weekly with Apex. It's every 8 trading days. Let's get this done. Let's go, baby. Is that your combine or is that express? Even if you have big buffer, yeah, it has to be. It's with Apex. It's just 8 trading days. Every generally that's how it is. Oh, we're getting like weird market. I swear we're about to pump back up to other side of this MA line. We need to get some clear direction here. Looks like it does look like it hasn't opened. We've barely got any good movement. We had a 50-point move up, and then we had a 80-point move down after that. I wanted to flush down one more time, probably 2 more times, but right now 1 more time before we look for a downside play. Okay. As usual, we pump back up. Oh, I was back to last night. We got fun. Had a crazy streak. W, bro. With what's it called? Did I miss? Nah, Manny, you just didn't miss out anything, bro. We have a lot of news pre-market, so we haven't got any clear direction just yet. That could be the reason why all the liquidity was extracted pre-market, but yeah, there wasn't really much happening. We've just been chopping. Right now we're like literally hovering at the SMA line, so I'm open to downside or upside. We just have to make a clear direction. If you don't have a clear direction, no trade for me. Because I know if I take trades in a unclear directional day, I'm going to lose money. Or most likely lose money. Because I like trading clearly directional trades. So if we could pump up, break this initial first swing high that we have, that would be great. Pumpy time. We need a pumpy, bro. A massive, juicy pumpy. All right. Massive, juicy, pumpy. But I'm not going to use no magnet because that magnet shit never works. We just need something like this to happen. That'll be a valid trade for us to enter. Are these gonna be choppy like yesterday? From what it's looking like, we're not making any clear direction, so we could have a choppy day. But you know how the market is. Randomly, we just pick up volatility. So based on what we're seeing right now, it is pretty choppy. So if we decide to pump up back up, I'll be looking to take my trade. That's why we're on here for like a decent amount of time. So if the market environment does randomly change, which it looks like it is doing right now because we're just randomly pumping hard, then we'll have a play. Other than that, we're not taking it. Looks like it. Yeah, because if you just look, we're just back and forth on the 200 SMA. No clear direction yet on the day. We did look like we wanted to continue that uptrend, which is exactly what we wanted to see. Instead of a pullback, we got an extreme retracement. And then now we're just downtrending. Oh, downtrend time. Oh, psych. Push back up, and now we're here. Brother man, Zabud, there is no more news. All the news was at pre-market. Well, at least the high impact and medium impact news was on pre-market. I don't think there's any more news. Maybe after 10 a.m. Because some days on 10 a.m. we usually get a pump or dump regardless of if there's news or not. So we could see that maybe. We got no more news until Friday. We have consumer sentiment and inflation expectations at 10 a.m. That's it. Doesn't look good but tastes good. Is that cold? I feel like that would taste good if it's cold. Ground beef. Courgette roasted. What is that? Potato, air fried eggs, cheese. Oh, zucchini. Courgette, what? It looks like a salad. Like a messy, like, salad. That probably does taste good, though. Ground beef, zucchini, potato, eggs, cheese. I like all that. It's full protein. Yeah, I'm sure. Like ground beef and eggs, bro. Ground beef, eggs, and you got a little bit of cheese, potato, and zucchini, which is fire. Market shows us a lot of big wicks. We do not trade, right? I mean, pretty much. If the market's more so, if the market is not showing any clear direction, that's what we want to care more about. Cheese does have protein, but I don't think the quality of the protein is as good, or the amino acid profile, or whatever people call it. I don't know too much about that stuff, but okay, we're getting a pumpy, finally. As soon as I say it, bruh. Okay, there we go. This is what we're waiting for. See if we can break this high with a little bit more strength. I want us to at least push past a little bit, just to show that we have strength. Not bad. Let's see what happens. See how our momentum candle forms. Yeah, nope. I just don't like how we didn't push past the previous high too much. If we get a momentum candle any point here without breaking, never mind. I take it back. I was gonna say if we get a momentum candle anywhere here without breaking past these lows, I'll take it with light size. We just wicked below it though. There's not big enough of a body on that one for me. Now we can. It's not the best setup. I'll probably take it with lighter size, depending on how this forms. Can the market please pick a direction? Not literally. We kind of pushed up a little bit. I want to see it past the swing high first. I can't stop yawning, bro. Bro, you yawning is making the market yawn. And that market is picking direction. Boring PA is not helping. Stupid ass price action, bro. This is what I want to see now. Break of this swing high. Pull back momentum. Because we got a pullback here. No momentum candle. And we fell back down a little bit below the swing low here. So now we want to break past this swing high. See if we can do that. And then pull back and then momentum candle off a clean move. Like yesterday's move, that was perfect. We got a strong move and then we got a pullback. And then we got a continuation. That was perfect. Hold on, I'll be back. Give me 2 seconds. What do we got? We got nothing. No trade is not a bad day. 100% it's not a bad day. If you had a no trade day on a day that didn't have the right context or didn't have any setups, that's perfect. That means you followed your rules and you didn't lose money. Because if you broke your rules, you have a high chance of losing money. And if you didn't lose money or you didn't trade, that's good. You saved your account instead of blowing it. If you master, for example, 4 strategies, is it possible if you don't have an A+ setup? Oh yeah, 100%, Layla. You can definitely do that. The issue with that is that if you're not profitable with one strategy yet, or if you can't make it work with one strategy, then it's probably gonna be hard to what's it called? Master another strategy as well. One thing you can do as well is instead of doing multiple strategies, you can spread the instruments you trade, the asset classes or the instruments you trade, trading multiple names for you to look for a setup. If one market doesn't have the right setup, then you look at another one. But I don't want to do that right now yet. Because it's been so boring. Yeah, I think the only we've had a dub Tuesday. Yeah, we've had a dub Tuesday so far. So it hasn't been it's been a pretty slow week. Go looking good right now for buys. Yeah, gold has some nice trend. Gold is flying. Gold is actually flying. Why is gold flying? Gold's flying and Q's dumping. Tuesday was gorgeous. What will make you choose NQ and not gold? I mean, from the beginning, I just chose NQ because I started with SPY and QQQ options and transitioned to futures, and I transitioned to the futures of those markets, which is ES and NQ. And I didn't even think about gold. I thought gold was like part of Forex, and I never traded gold. And then I found out like a year and a half ago, it's also with futures too. So I always looked at like NQ and ES, and I was like, toxic relationship or bad PA, what's worse? I'd say bad PA. Because if it's bad PA, that means I'm broke. If I'm broke, I don't give a shit about anything else. I got no money. PA means price action. $100 bad PA. If I'm in a toxic relationship, I just ignore him, bro. Ignore him. Don't deal with him. You still got money. But if it's bad PA, you got no money. And if you got no money, then the girl's going to complain and you're cooked. So bad PA is worse. Can't allow that. So much chop today. Let them girls come. What if she's toxic because of the PA? Exactly, that's worse. So if we have bad PA, that means she's toxic. She's gonna be toxic. All right, let's go ahead and turn on the TikTok. Think Amir blew the account again. What makes you say that? So I mean, he said he didn't have his funded anymore. So he's taking a break or something. Or I think he's on eval. Someone check on him. I think he's doing good. Should be vibing. All right. Holy chop, bro. Chip chop, bro. Chop central. I want to see if we can get anywhere near these highs at all, bro. These highs or lows. What's up, Saf? Bro, so much chop today, bro. Or not more so chop, more so no direction today. But we're waiting right now. I want to see price go to this break this low or break this high. Either one. She sells or buys. Either one. Depends on whichever one the market gives me. If it pushes down, give me some downside pressure, I'll look for a bearish play. Pushes up, bullish play. 5 out of 25 exams done. You have 20 more exams to do, bro. I have a feeling market's going to pick up direction around like 11 p.m., 11 a.m. Eastern. I got 3-month holiday after and I'm locking for training. Let's go, bro. So I actually got me studying for my final. What's up, odd guy? Stunk in lungs in my cook chat. This PA has been crazy. Stupid pal, bruh. Can't be having pal pre-market. Silly, goofy pal. Close above you, I'm pushing Oreo range. Okay, bro. Waking up at 7 and hoping the charts is pure commitment. Respect it. Preach, fam. That's what it takes, bro. You gotta get up every day regardless of what's happening. Another question about TP and stop loss. How do I get to exit the trade based on my long position or short position indicator on TradingView? So you can't get it to, well, from my knowledge, you can't get it to exit based on an indicator. It has to be a strategy. It has to be a strategy. So there's two different things. There's on indicators, you'll see something like this symbol right here on next indicator. So if I type like, let's say average, any indicator that has like this up and down arrow line here, that indicates it's a strategy and not an indicator. So those will allow you to like exit and enter based off that, based off the indicator. But an indicator is just like they might add like, oh, buy and sell on the indicator, but it's not actually buy and sell. It's just a thing, drawing. From my knowledge, you're not going to be able to do it based off that. You have to like manually do it. Or if you have some like coding experience, you can turn it into a strategy in the code and then connect it yourself. Thoughts on Ethereum? I don't really focus on crypto too much. Take a trade study. Nah, we're having pretty bad chop today so far. No clear direction yet. Have you heard of triple options expiration? Triple option expiration? No, what is that? Oh, the witching? Oh, yeah, the witching, yeah. Triple witching, yeah, I've heard about that. Is that like coming up? It says in June. Third Friday of March, June, and September and December. Really, tomorrow? I don't think it's tomorrow. What platforms do you use to trade futures? So the platform I used to do my charting on, that's TradingView right here. This platform. The trading platform I use is NinjaTrader. That's my broker. NinjaTrader, by far my favorite platform. It's every third Friday. I don't think it's of every month. It's not of every month. It happens every 4 times a year, because it can't be every month, because the futures contracts don't expire every month. It has to be every quarter. Maybe on options there's an expiration every month, maybe, in every, what's it called? The futures contracts expire every month or every quarter, sorry. So it's gonna be every quarter whenever the futures expiration lines up with the stock option expiration and whatnot. If that's tomorrow, then I usually see like low volatility coming up to that sometimes. You want to be a little bit careful. Or high. It's like just basically not exact price action. Powell speaking, but is he still speaking? I know he's speaking pre-market. You trade mini, NQ, or micro. I trade minis. Francisco. Did you win today? No, we haven't got a trade today yet. So laggy. March, June, September. Yeah, that makes more sense, Cav. Cause, think about it. The futures market like expires or contract expires every quarter. We have the HM, N, I think, Z. I don't know. It's like four letters. It's HMZ, and I forgot the other one. And then when that lines up with the option expiration, you can get some good volatility or some like weird volatility. Wait, what? Oh. Okay. Okay, my bad. Ed, you meant the position tool, drawing tool. I don't think today's gonna be a good day for trades like us. We probably might not get a trade, but we'll see. We get some random spikes in volatility here and there. How many lots you usually buy per trade? I don't have a set in stone amount, but anywhere from like 1 to 3 right now. I might have to increase it though, because the volatility has been down lately, and I need to increase it to keep my dollar amount like the same. So possibly up to like 5. Yeah, so Ed, basically, if you want, let's say you want to enter right here. If you're doing it through TradingView, let me just open paper trade real quick. If you're doing it through TradingView, let's say you press buy. Let's say your drawing tool's right here. You want to enter right here. You're putting your stop loss below the moving average right here, for example. This is going here. You press this. Okay, you'll be filled in. You could drag your stop loss there and TP wherever it's supposed to go on TradingView. Does that make sense? That's how you do it on TradingView. If you were doing on a separate broker, you have to set up an ATM strategy. How to exit from there. What do you mean? About 10 lots 100. Is that about right? 10 lots might be a little too many contracts for just 100. Yeah, you still need to exit manually. You can't exit based off of this. This is just a drawing tool. It's not an indicator or anything. You gotta think of this as this is a drawing tool. It's for you to visually see where things are, not for the trade to follow. The trade like exit and stop loss and take profit will not follow this. It won't exit immediately. You have to manually manage your position or set a limit order wherever you want to exit and whatnot. Another day, another dollar. Were you just in those? No, that was a paper trade. I was doing an exam. I was doing a test of something. And the other is for manual exit. So no, well, if you want to be able to exit, do a limit order where you want your stop loss and take profit to go. So if you don't want to manage your position, the other option, yeah, manual exit. The other option is you manually pressing close position or the opposite of whatever position you're entered in. If you're in a buy position, you press sell. If you're in a sell, you press buy. That'll allow you to close your position too, manually. Limit orders will do it automatically for you. Go dumpy market. Like, we don't even have any clear direction at this point. No, actually, Dookie price action, bro. 10 minutes after opening it. It's so good, bro. It's so good. It's gonna fill in liquidity. Not a good day today. PA day today. Yeah, Irving, you're right. Not the best today at all. Honestly, think we might cut it early today. Yeah, haircut a little early. Gotta get fresh. Gotta get fresh. But yeah, we're gonna chop all day. Okay, looks like we are getting some downside pressure though. Interesting. We always do. We have been reversing every single like strength direction so far today. Trading way too easy. Dog, what are you talking about, bro? Those are some rookie numbers, bro. Boom. There you go. You see that? That's called making money. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. No. No, 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 no. Come on. There we go. Come on. Ah. Oh man, I don't have any more funds. No. Reverse. Oh, so if you're ever down, just click reverse. It'll instantly reverse your position so you can never lose. I just like found the matrix glitch. Wait, what direction are we even in? Oh. Oh, fire. We just bottom ticked. I'm the bottom tick demon. Never mind. Alright. You know, we're getting back. That was a fake stop out. It was just the market makers hunting. Now we're actually going to bottom tick. Just trail. Oh, man. Come on, lock in. Bottom tick time. Bottom tick. Come on. Bottom tick. Ah. It takes loss and puts you back in. I know, I'm joking. How's it going today, champ? Let's chop, made some trades. Now, we had actually no clear direction. By the way, guys, that was just paper trading. That wasn't actually like me trading. Oh, shoot. How's it going today? Yeah, we haven't had much clear direction so far. Just very, very choppy, low volatility, back and forth. Good luck today. Appreciate it. I think London's lower predicted. I don't really look at London lows. 900 on my 20 Apex this week. Straight pay stub. I quit my job today. Now we're getting some dumpy reaction. Those not relevant to U.S. equity-based futures. Gold, Forex, yes. Yeah, really low volatility. I think we're in like an 80-point range. Yeah, around like a 90-point range. And we're reversing. Do you call your entries? Yeah, we trade live every single morning, Juicy. Every single morning. 9 to 8 a.m. Eastern time. L price action. Curious if we can break this low though. Not yet, Omar. We do look like we want to break this low though. Maybe, maybe not. You said 920 EST. Yeah, that's when I start. Got nothing. I got nothing either. You got to break this low with strength for me to want a bearish play. That's it. Bare minimum is breaking this low. Because we're still in that pretty good like uptrend on the bigger picture retracement. Just not a good market to trade in today. Yeah, boys. I think we're going to wrap it up here. It's not really... I don't want to be caught up trading in this dookie market right now. But TikTok, we're gonna end it here. I'll catch y'all. We're trading live in the Discord every single morning, by the way, at 9:20 a.m. Eastern time. If you guys want to tune into that and watch us trade live, be part of the community every single morning, Monday through Friday. You can tune into that for free and join us. It's literally tomorrow morning. All right. TikTok, stay blessed, everybody. We'll wrap it up here. Peace out, everybody. Have a great rest of y'all day. Take care. Trading is done. I'm going to finish it today. I don't want to get caught up in this L price action. But, yeah, I have a haircut like in like an hour. I'm going to go wrap things up. And then get faded up. Yeah, and there's no opportunity today. There's no reason for us to like force any trades in this environment. I'm fine. I'm okay to sit on here, but like if I know I'm probably not gonna get a trade, there's no point to sit on here. If I do get a good looking setup, I can literally take it just on my phone. Bro's about to get faded. I'm about to get faded in this. Oh, faded. Nah, I'm about to get faded up, baby.